Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Future Way C1200 full cartridge filter. So this is going to be a product overview video, so let's get into it and let me show you how this product looks and how to install it. So you can see here, this filter is standing about 23¼ inches tall. The width of this is like 8.5. The inside diameter is like 4.5. You can see how the slots here, so this will capture all the dirt and build up from the pool. It's very easy to install. Okay, so the way to install this, you just take the pressure off of your unit here, loosen it, and then you just insert this over. And then you just close it. And then you're gonna tighten it up, and then you're ready to turn your pool on, so that way that it starts filtering out all the chemicals and all the trash that's inside your pool. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great pool filter to have for your pool. I like how easy it is to install, and I like how much dirt that this captures, and I like how easy it is to clean. So thanks for watching.